Hello student. Now today we will discuss about very easy topic, second pendulum. Second pendulum is a type of simple pendulum. A pendulum which has time period of 2 seconds. It means if the value of time period is 2 seconds, then this type of simple pendulum is known as second pendulum. And we can find the value of length of this second pendulum by using formula T equals 2 pi root L by G. This is expression for time period of any simple pendulum. Okay. Now putting the value of T 2 seconds equals 2 pi root L by G. Putting the value of G 9.8. Okay. On squaring both sides. On squaring both sides we have 4 equals 4 pi square L upon 9.8. Okay, now we have to find the value of L, small l. So 4 into 9.8 upon 4 pi square equals L. Now L can be calculated by 4 into 9.8 upon 4 into the value of pi. The value of pi 22/7, you can also write 3.14. Okay, square. Now we have 4 is cancelled by 4. Now we have 9.8 upon square of 3.14. Square of 3 is 9 and near about 9.85. So we have the value 0.99 meter, okay, and which is nearly equal to 1 meter. It means a pendulum which has time period 2 seconds, okay, and length is nearly equal to 1 meter, then this type of second pendulum is known as second pendulum. Okay. Now today we will discuss about some numerical problems. Based on time period. The first type of numerical is a simple pendulum completes 40 oscillations in 1 minute. In one minute. Okay. Find its frequency and time period. Find its frequency and time period. Okay. Now we have already formula for time period. T equals 2 pi root L by G. But in case of oscillation, we have another formula for time period. T equals total time taken for n oscillations. Total time taken for n oscillation upon number of oscillations. You can also write n, number of oscillations. Okay, this is another formula for finding time period. Now, in this numerical problem, simple pendulum completes 40 oscillations in 1 minute. Total time is given 1 minute 60 seconds. Okay, and number of oscillations 40. So total time 1 minute is 60 seconds upon number of oscillations 40. Now we have 6 upon 4 seconds. This is time period of given simple pendulum. And after solving we have 1.5 second. 1.5 second is time period of this type of simple pendulum. And second part will be frequency. We have another formula, T equals 1 upon frequency. So frequency equals 1 upon T, because frequency and time period both are reciprocal to each other. Okay, now putting the value of T 1.5, we have the value of frequency 10 upon 15, 2 by 3, 0.67 hertz. Okay, in this numerical we can find the value of time period by using this formula, and we can use the value of frequency using this formula, F equals 1 upon T. Okay, now we will discuss about another type of numerical. Next numerical, compare the time period of two pendulums of length 1 meter and 9 meter. In this numerical there are two simple pendulums. Okay, and we have a relation in previous class, T1 upon T2 equals root L1 upon L2. By using this formula we can calculate the value of time period. Okay, now T1 upon T2 equals the value of L1 will be 1 meter, the value of L2 will be 9 meter. Okay, now T1 upon T2 equals 1 upon square root of 1 and square root of 9 3. Okay, now T1 ratio T2 equals 1 ratio 3. This will be correct answer. Okay, any problem? Now we will discuss another type of numerical. The time period of two simple pendulums at a place are in ratio 2:1. What will be the ratio are their length. Now, this type of numerical is based on T1 upon T2. T1 upon T2 equals root L1 upon L2. Actually, in this numerical, time period of two simple pendulum at a place are in ratio 2:1. It means the value T1 ratio T2 is equals 2:1 is given. Okay, so put the value T1 upon T2, 2 upon 1, and what will be the ratio of their length. Okay, so we can find the value of L1 ratio L2 on squaring both sides. We have 4 upon 1 is equals L1 upon L2. So L1 ratio L2 is equals 4 ratio 1. This will be correct answer. Okay, thank you.